Hello guys, so today we will be talking about Prospector game, its grand land sale and other sales of Prospector game, and what should we, how much amount should we invest in game and what return we can get. So please subscribe my channel and do like my video. So as we first of all, I will tell you that Prospector game and Our Planet game, both developers are same, that is Weekend. And as we know that Prospector game is already on Wax, but until now the lands uh, on that Prospector game, uh, we can we were able to rent it, not own it. uh, but now as the sales will be there of Prospector game, so if we buy the NFT of the land, so we will be able to own it. So there are 10,000 plots, and basically 2,900 plot sale is already over, and another 6,900 sale will be next month, and its price its price will be $150, and there will be some white listing system for 30 or 40% users or something. The details are not out yet. So basically it is moving on Wax, and all the resources will be more in this games. Like this were the resources on the game live now, and this will turn into this, means all things will increase. And there will be auction of the central plots, means suppose this is map. So these are central plots. There will be auction for the central plots, and and there will be also action of horse, donkey, vegans. So these are to do transportation jobs like this. These are used for this purpose. So there will be sale of those two. And so game will launch after October. Launch of Prospector in grand, like October. In October it will launch, and we will be able to unpack our land from that particular pack in October. So these are details in their uh, roadmap. So basically, first of all, as we see, our planet land price now are $600. The market is down in deep, means it was like 1,000 or 1,300 dollar when I saw it 6 or 7 days ago, when market was cool. But now due to market, it price went down, and as we see, after the sale was end, this land was sold at $400 or $300 approx. But now due to uh, market crash, it is sold at $194, and I have bought one at $195 approx. So basically why I bought this pack, I will explain. So I am thinking like, first of all, by seeing our planet's growth and I seeing potential in this game, I simply think like, if I am getting this pack in deep for $200 approx, so I can easily sold it 600 or above $600 when the game will launch. And secondly, the main reason, like, Weekend is backing it up, and Prospector game is live from 2019. And if I, so these are my assumption. Do your own research if you want to buy this land. So I am thinking like, suppose in this particular game I want to uh, to play this game. So basically for means good generation of money, I have to own this or rent this particular plot. So I have to give this much amount of gold, so I will able to rent it for 1 month. So I am thinking like in this new game also there will be same thing, like if I don't want to play that game, so I can basically let someone to rent it and earning per month from this thing. And if I want to play, I will do things like jobs and something like building or mining my own lands, minerals, something, so I can earn money. So these are my thinking to earn profit from this game. So do buy this land on your own research. According to me, it can be huge profit, and it can give you loss when you buy it about $200 or approx when the market goes down, because market is not stable yet. So that's why buy according to your own research and on your own risk. Thank you.